Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonal and I make beauty related videos. So if that is something which interests you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And today I have did a green cut crease eye look. So let's just get started with today's video. Starting off with moisturizing my skin, I'm using the Debelle Cosmetics Skin Moisturizer and I am going to massage it into my skin to get a glowing skin effect. Moving towards prepping the eyes, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and applying it on my eyelids to give myself a nice base to work in. Blending all the concealer nicely now. Now I'm going to be setting it with a white eyeshadow shade. Taking the Imagic Cosmetics palette, I'm using the brown shade as my transition shade and I'm going to be applying it all over my lids. Right now I'm just applying the shade and later on we'll focus on blending. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to be blending the brown eyeshadow shade. Make sure that you blend in as much as you can. Using a darker brown shade, I'm going to be adding some depth in my eyes now. Moving towards the cut crease, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and cutting my crease. Keep the patience guys and you will get the best cut crease you want. And as you can see, the cut crease is finally done. Moving towards adding some color on top of this, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette and I'm using a green shade from that palette. Dusting off the excess and I'm just patting the color on top of my eyelids. Now taking a light green shade, I'm going to be applying it in the middle of my eyelids. And at the end, I'm going to be adding a darker green shade. As you can see, this is how my eyes look after cutting the crease and applying the color. It's just so perfect, I feel. Now using a shimmery shade, I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes. This just makes the look so much more better and complete guys. Popping off the lashes off camera, I am moving towards my foundation. The foundation I'm using is from the Sugar Cosmetics Ace of Base Foundation. And by the way, the lashes which I used was from an Instagram store called World of Rava. Moving towards highlighting my face, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to add some brightness underneath my eyes. Also a little bit on my nose and a little bit on my forehead. Now I'm just blending the concealed areas. Using the Nykaa Cosmetics Skin Genius palette, I'm going to be contouring my face. Adding some contour onto my nose as well, and yeah. Make sure that you blend the contour really nicely because cream contours take a little extra time to blend. Moving towards setting my concealed areas, I'm using the Wet n Wild Contour Palette and I'm going to be using the banana shade out of it. Applying it underneath my eyes on the areas where I have concealed and where I would like to bake. Now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Strobe Palette and I'm going to be setting my contour. Taking a fluffy brush from Vichy, I'm going to be removing the excess powder. Moving towards the blush, I am using the Sugar Cosmetics blush and just applying it nicely. For highlighter, I'm using this really amazing highlighter from Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. Do you see that, guys? It's such a bomb highlighter. I just love this one. And here's the base done. We just have to do our lips now. I have already applied a brown lip liner, and on top of that I'm using the ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Relay Race. This is such a beautiful combination to apply. I just love these two combinations together. And here's my look done. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share it as much as you can, and I'll be back with more such videos. Bye!